Hey guys, today's location is County Louth, and we're doing out a Crèche here with infrared, so the guys are inside fitting it. So I'll just bring you inside and just show you what we're doing with this install. So this client had gas heating and finding it expensive, and we're putting in our infrared panels. So I'll just bring you through, give you an idea of what we're doing. So the panel will sit here, so we can move in here. So it's midterm, we can move in here and do out this install in one day. So this is your heater here that's going to sit on the ceiling, and then we'll put the controller here on the wall. So we'll just give you a quick run through the building. We've a couple of heaters going in here. We have a bathroom here as well. We're putting a couple of heaters into the bathroom. This is one of the sleeping rooms, so we'll put a panel just radiating the heat down here. So we have a panel in here, that's it, ready to go in. We have another panel, so we're moving these older type convector heaters. We have another panel going in here, and we have another panel going in the ceiling here. So you can see the buys there, busy just measuring it out. This is the bigger room, so we're going to put a couple of heaters in here as well. So we've one bracket up already, and that's the heater there, and then we're going to put a couple of more heaters here on the ceiling. So we have another couple of heaters, one heater in here. So this client is moving away from gas and is going to be using infrared heating. Sorry, we have another heater in here in the kitchen at the back here. The bracket is up, and we have one in here as well. Panel has been installed in the ceiling over my head. So you can see there, this client is moving away completely from gas and is going with infrared. So for more information, check out our website, infraredheat.ie.